But he says that he's a method actor.
Method acting meaning I've never seen him stay in that character off the shot. He's joking around and laughing around, and then he's that character in 1 second.
Right.
So that's how it was, and I think everybody has a brilliant character to play, a wacky character to play.
I hear that you use some real guns in the film.
Yes, real guns with dummy bullets.
Okay.
But those bullets used to have the same sound and fire coming out of them, just like a real one. Obviously, I can't shoot people for real, which I wish I could to some people. But those guns used to be really, really heavy to carry. So there's one entry shot of mine in the film, which is with one is with a revolver, obviously, and one another big gun, and I had to use both of them and all of that. And then my problem was firstly holding the gun in the correct, straight, proper way, because my arms are not that, not like a man to hold them in the correct way. And since she's Revolver Rani, she can't look like a woman, like a girl holding this gun like this and all. The body language has to be, it should look like she's been using guns for a while. Right. So Praveen, definitely, I've just followed him blindly. So he used to keep telling me to hold it in the correct way. And that, and then the bullet. The moment I would shoot, the sound is so, it's like that green color ka bomb hota tha na Diwali mein, that bursting in front of your eye, you know, because that spark khatak karke comes in front of your eye. So it used to be really, and I used to get scared कि मेरा मुंह जल गया तो मैं क्या करूँगी and everything. But then I was like, नहीं भाई, action role करना था, अब मिल गया है तो करो चुपचाप, you know, don't complain. So then I used to put cotton in my ears sometimes so that the sound doesn't make my eye blink.
Okay.
Because if my eye is blinking, it's not really cool.
Okay.
So that was tough the first this thing time, and yeah, and obviously my body language had to be very strong when I did the role. So yes, the gun part was another difficult part for me, apart from the other things which I cannot talk about.
Have you seen the film? Like
I've seen my bit in the dubbing.
What's your favorite scene in the film?
Mine, of my personal?
I don't know. What else have you seen?
I think, like I said, that entry shot with those guns, that's my favorite. Yeah. I mean, I think Sidhu just messaged me and told me day before that he saw the film with Praveen's wife, and he said that तेरे वो entry shot पे बहुत whistle बजने वाला है. I was like, okay. And you have a feeling sometimes that certain shots really come out really well. That was my first day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
In Hindupur.
So what's coming up next for you, Shraddha? Like March 4th. Oh, by the way, it's her birthday as well.
Yes, it's my birthday. See, right. Buddhism ka effect, it's releasing on my birthday, yaar. What a gift.
Right. So what's coming up next for you? Oh.
So as of now, Guntur Talkies is releasing on 4th March. And then there is Great Grand Masti, which is releasing in June right now, because they are working on the special effects in the film, since there is a ghost in the film this time in the sequel. And Ooja, which released in Kannada, became a super hit over there. So that is going to release in Telugu. We shot for it in Telugu as well. So I don't know when in between. Right. Also, I have signed a Bengali film with one of my favorite actors, Jeet, in Bengali. Nice. He's a top star in Bengali, and the producers and the directors are also the top over there. And it's been my father's dream to see me in Bengali films. I've just done one Bengali film. Right. So again, to work. And it's an Indo-Bangladesh film. So it will release in Bangladesh and India.
It's not a remake.
It's a remake.
It's a remake, okay.
Yeah, of a Telugu film.
Oh.
But I can't tell you which one. Okay. So that I'm going to go to Dhaka and shoot for it, because like I said, it's a Bangladesh Indian film, Bengali film. That and the Kannada film I ran away from, so.
Not going back? They're not going to sue you?
People are going to think I'm mad. Listen, I'm extremely professional, okay? This is just that samne wala professional nahi to then even I am not, okay? And yeah, so this is what it is. And I did a short film which is called Bittersweets, which is I think gonna go to Cannes. And in that again I've played a role which nobody will believe. They will not even recognize me. I play a girl from Bhindi Bazaar who is totally unlike me again. The opposite of this Revolver Rani character, you could say. So that is another film. Yeah, that's been bought by Prime Focus and Accord are the partners now of the film. So
sounds really exciting there.
Yes, that is something which I think that no matter what, Hemant will give it a 5-star rating. It's your kind of film. You know, somebody I was telling you off the interview, so I'm going to say it in the interview that I was telling someone that I'm doing this interview with Hemant. They're like, अरे वो Spielberg का पोता.
It sounds like an insult.
Spielberg का पोता means Spielberg का क्या हुआ? Grandson. Yeah.
It sounds so much like an insult.
No, it's not an insult, yaar.
It's like they're making fun
Come
of
on,
me,
you're the
obviously,
Spielberg ka grandson
Oh
of
gosh,
Telugu
please,
cinema.
please.
And what people will fear me, people fear you. Next day now on Facebook, everybody's like, iDream post का पता नहीं क्या review आने वाला है. Hey भगवान, and you're so mean यार in your reviews, some of them.
Yeah, of late
Oh
I've
my
become-
god, why? Why are you so mean? You know
Because
he's done a
so
short film. I'll do a promotion also. Hemant has done a short film.
Total
by
character
the way.
damage, man.
It's
Oh gosh.
called One More Love Story. Na?
Yet another love story.
See,
Yeah,
I know,
yes.
yet another love story. And I was so happy that Hemant is doing a short because
Oh, by the way, she's read the script.
I've read the script and all. I've seen
It's
the.
like, oh, what is
हाँ, now don't say all this. हाँ, now he's scared. ना अभी सब लोग हेमंत का मूवी आ रहा है, सब बजाएंगे हेमंत की.
I'm ready for
So
public release.
his short film is going to come out soon. He's really nervous. I'm telling you that. And so the day it releases now, if you don't give a good review to Guntur Talkies, what I will do, I will put that short film up and I will ask all the actors I know कि इसके नीचे comment करना सब below Hemant's short film and bang बजाना हेमंत की. Okay, that's what I'll tell. So you better be careful.
She's going on record to threaten me and blackmailing me.
Yes.
So, right. Alright, Shraddha, thank you so much. It was a great pleasure talking to you. You're totally mad, man. No, I can't believe how everybody works with you. Like,
Hey, I'm not like this on the set. I'm very quiet and this thing, एकदम ऐसा prim and proper.
so, what is this? We get special treatment.
Yeah, you too will get special. Arey, special treatment is on the way now since we are nearing the end of the interview. Yes, so
Okay, before we wrap up, any final words about Guntur Talkies to our viewers?
okay, so Guntur, I'll say it in Telugu maybe.
Yeah, please.
Guntur Talkies ఇది ఒక cult crime comedy.
అప్పుడే కల్ట్ అనేసారా దీన్ని? Okay, actually, I think there's no consensus in the team.
Why?
Your colleagues just said it's a confusion comedy.
But it's
You're
a
saying
cult film also. It will be.
Okay, we'll discuss
I'm
about what
confident.
cult is.
I'm confident about the disclaimer before my trailer, which Hemant doesn't like.
Yeah.
Hemant says that he doesn't like the disclaimer which comes before Guntur Talkies trailer. But I'm confident about that. We stick to that disclaimer. You will see it in the film.
Okay, ready for that.
I'm being overconfident. मुझे डर लग रहा है. इस आदमी का कोई भरोसा नहीं. There is no guarantee of this man. So I don't want to be so confident, overconfident. So yes, please watch Guntur Talkies. It's releasing on 4th March, which is my birthday. So please give me a birthday gift by watching it. Okay, although I know that money will not come into my pocket. But watch it. And the second birthday gift you can give me is by liking my character and knowing that it's just that character, it's not Shraddha Das, and appreciating the effort and the risk that we all have taken. And there's a guarantee that you will laugh in every possible scene in the film, from the beginning till the end. Everything, even the serious stuff in the film, comes across as really, really funny. And we've all, obviously, everybody works hard, but we have also worked really hard on the film. And so just love the film, watch it, and please don't hate me. Love me after watching this film, okay? Maybe I may just be fulfilling a few of your fantasies when you see the film.
Oh God!
No, they are not my fantasies, but they are Praveen's fantasies which are there. So watch Guntur Talkies, 4th March. Okay? Bye. Da!